Again, the Rocket Jewel switches. Got multiple different ones, different colors, different sizes, universal versions. So with the Peterbilt, you got the smart switches. Now, those have very tight tolerances as far as getting the tool in there. And you're gonna pretty much compress from both sides and then push on the back and out it goes. So unfortunately I don't have a Peterbilt switch panel, but what we got is, again, working end and part you hold with your hands, give you a little leverage, and you're pushing it through and it'll pop out of the dash by depressing the tangs. If you want to see the other videos on how this style one works versus the smart switch style one that you just saw, just check out any one of the other switch videos. So that is the difference between the two switches with the Peterbilt and the styles. And again, just be careful because this does unfortunately have to be very thin to fit between the panel and that switch style on the smart switches for Peterbilt, and then that is the other Peterbilt style. Thank you.